Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. You may notice that we're in the car. We're in a sundress and yeah, it's rainy, it's windy and it's hot. There's been thunderstorms. I mean, I've appreciated the thunderstorms. I've appreciated the rain. But you know how you want the rain to just drop the temperature a little bit? I don't like when things get too hot. Anyway, day 23. I'm surprised that I've managed to keep vlogging this entire time, even though, is it really vlogging? Because some of my videos are very short. Yesterday's video, very short. Very short. I did weed my garden and I did hurt this wrist. So, you know, you'd think I would learn. It turns out I don't. Okay, what have we got here in day 23 of our Roxy Fibers Advent? Oh, jackpot. Jackpot. We've got orange. Now, it's an orange tweedy sock from Roxy Fibers, and the colour is Daylily. There have been a few of these tweedy colours. This could look cool with the purple one. There's also a green one. We'll see how we go. So, what's the plan for today? I have finished Rocky Socks, and I've almost finished the body of the loaf cat. What I do need to do is get some more stuffing out of the shed so that I can stuff the loaf cat. And then I should be able to finish the loaf cat today. Today we have to go to Wellington to the airport to pick up the brother-in-law and his partner and their baby. And we need to finish a bit of the Christmas shopping. I finished mine. My partner hasn't finished his. Shade. I say I finished mine, but I've been avoiding actually packing the Christmas stockings because people have been around too much. Maybe we'll pack the Christmas stockings together tomorrow when he's at work. And then you can see the gloriousness that is me doing Christmas stockings, because I tell you, 10 out of 10. But because there's so much chocolate in the Christmas stocking and it's so hot, I don't necessarily... The dog's watching me. He's not allowed in the car because I cleaned the car so the baby can come in the car. But still, even in cleaning the car's not that clean. There's dog fur absolutely everywhere. I was going to take the car covers off and say that was clean enough. I can't get them off because I put them on too well. It's so complicated. It's very complicated being me. Anyway, it's time for breakfast. I haven't cooked it, so that's a genuine win. I might show you the garden I weeded yesterday because it looks good, but I have hurt myself. And I do need to get some tomatoes in the ground. But again, everything hurts. Everything hurts. And when I finish the cat, I don't know what's next on the agenda. Maybe knitting the boots and mittens, but I need to find some brown yarn to do that, but I could at least do mittens. I don't know, I might have to readdress the list and have a look. I still haven't started Santa, so Santa is a good backup. We could go with that. Yeah. The downside of doing Vlogmas is that the only videos I've filmed have been Vlogmas. I mean, I feel like I might have been able to film something else if I wasn't injured. Maybe. Who knows? In the meantime, it's windy, it's rainy, and it's hot. But it's not... And the problem with when it's windy and rainy is that you don't actually get any moisture in the soil, really. So I do feel like I've had more sun than I should have. I've got some dermatitis flaring up on my fingers. And my wrist hurts. Oh! When one of my friends, when I turned 40, she said, oh, enjoy it. You know, basically every part of your body is going to fall apart with no reason. I was like, no, not me. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. What happens when I hit my 40s? All of a sudden, out of control weight gain. All my body does start packing up, left, right, and centre. How many surgeries have I had since I turned 40 is the real question. I mean, crazy. Some of it is my own stupid fault. We'll go with that. But anyway, don't turn 40. And now I'm 46, and I'm refusing to believe my body's falling apart. I'm just like, just push through the pain, Juanita, just push through the pain. And I do need to make a grocery list of things that we're going to need until after Boxing Day while the grocery stores are closed, which I know is not a pandemic, and I know that I probably have enough food to get through, but I basically do need to do a look. I made a bird's nest salad last night. I'm not going to do it again. I made so much mess. Just so much mess. It was fun though, but I made so much mess. You would not think the salad would make so much mess, but it was nice to do something different and use every single container and cooking vessel in the house to make a fucking salad. I mean, honestly, ridiculous. Alison Holst's Very Easy Cookbook, my butt. That's what we'll say there. I'm not feeling so great because I didn't check the ingredients of the vermicelli noodles, and I am intolerant of corn and soy, and it's basically corn in there, so I did not feel so good in the middle of the night, but it's fine. I'm fine. I'm not dying. I'm just not going to make a bird's nest salad again. Yeah. All right. Dog's giving me grief because he's looking at me, and I am glad that we're on an orange. Oh, I wonder if this means we're going to finish on a red. I don't want to finish on a red. I want to finish on orange. I want orange to be satisfying. And I should really take my shopping list with me so that I can be sensible about it. I'm not going to be sensible about it. I'm never sensible about anything. Yeah, but I at least should stop and think about what we're going to eat for the next couple of days. And work out those groceries, because I'll have to go into a grocery store because I don't think there's going to be any grocery delivery available. Anyway, breakfast, must go, dash, do stuff, get the stuffing, stuff the cat. That's the plan, yes.